Hi, this is Jingo, and in this video, we're going to perform sniper method and scaling up an ad. So, papakita ko sa inyo dito how to keep the ones that are working well and how to delete the ones that are not. First, we need to figure out anong creatives, anong mga variables ang nag-work dito sa Power 5 campaign natin bago natin siya scale up. So, itong mga ito, 3% na lookalike audiences ang ginamit ko from the email lists, from the subscribers, at dun sa mga purchasers. So, ito po ay super audience na talaga. Hindi na ito yung broad. Hindi na rin siya mga interest-based na targeting. Ito ay may pinanggalingan na. So, these are very, very highly targeted or hyper-targeted audiences. Now, when we scale this up, we're going to use the 1% lookalike audiences. But before we can do that, we need to go to ads campaign. Hahanapin natin yung mga nag-work na variables. And then you go down here sa breakdown. Pupunta ka sa dynamic creative element and then image, video, and slideshow. I-click natin yan. So, hahanapin ngayon natin yung mga magaganda ang performance na creatives natin. Over here, I have a very, very low CPM cost. Napakababa po ng CPM nito. Merong isang mataas, pero still generating leads. Okay, so ito, nakikita natin na this one is very, very promising. Kasi maganda yung performance niya. There are 958 link clicks, although 2% lang ang nag-link click-through rate. Ang average naman na link clicks is 900, close to 1,000, no? And ang na-generate niya na leads is 182 leads. At mula sa 182 na yan, there are 20 people na nag-join sa webinar. So, from these people, merong mga tao din na nakuha for the webinars. And so on and so forth. The second best is this one, okay? 457. And this one, 425, meron siyang 3.49% CTR. Ito naman, 1.90 lang. Pero meron siyang na-generate na 73 leads. Sa webinar, may nag-avail din po na 7 na tao. Ito ganun din, 43 tapos 6 na tao. So, tatandaan natin na itong isang to, at ito pong isang to is your best creative. So, we are going to keep it. Yung iba, i-discharge na natin. Itong video naman, maganda rin yung performance niya because it has generated at least 6 leads and 2 webinar leads. And 3.48. The good thing about this is itong video na to is meron siyang nag-gather na video views which we can retarget later on. Okay? So, maganda rin po yan. And we must also remember na when we are placing an ad, katulad nitong isang to, sometimes we have very, very konti nga lang, pero these people are the lowest cost. Kaya siya maganda. Binigyan din siya nag-allocate din si CBO ng budget dito because we are asking Facebook to find leads that is the lowest cost. Diba? So, when we use Power 5, all placements that's giving us a lower cost per conversion, lahat yan hahanapin ni Facebook at ipakikita yung ads natin doon. That's the good thing about using auto placement. Okay? You don't want to miss a lead by not putting an ad in other placements. And because you are on a CBO, your budget is contained and controlled. So that's very good. Imagine there are only 20 people being generated from this one, pero there are 3 webinar leads and it has only 13.37 pesos cost per result. So, maganda po siya. Ganon din dito sa baba. When we go down further, makikita din po natin na halos ganun din, ito rin yung nagpe-perform ng maganda. And then, this one is performing in another kind of audience. Okay? So, sa ibang audience kasi ito. So different audiences, different creatives, because we don't need to find out whose audience is resonating with a certain creative. Bahala na si Facebook, because Facebook is using all its learning, which is the machine learning, to figure out saan mas magandang ipakita yung ating ads, and also alam niya by its algorithm kung saan ang mas maganda yung conversion. So, after nito, nakita na natin kung anong ad creatives ang maganda at nagpe-perform. Hahanapin naman po natin yung iba pang variables. So, we can also check which ad copy is doing well dito tayo sa text. So, makikita natin dito na itong ad copy natin na ito is gathering more leads than this one. Pero it's still doing good, di ba? Dito naman sa kabila, this one is is performing really well. Ito ang hindi. So, itong isang primary text or itong isang ad copy is the one giving us the best result. So, ikikip natin yan. Ikikip natin yan pag tayo ay nag-scale up na. Next, we can also check yung call to action. Isa lang naman pong call to action pagka ebook, okay? Pag free ebook download. So sa headline naman, if you are using different headlines katulad ko, I use free ebook sa isa, PH Stock Market Trading sa isa, and Stock Market Made Easy dun sa isa pa. So dito makikita natin PH Stock Market Trading ang magandang performance. The next best is itong free ebook printable. Dito sa second ad naman, maganda yung performance ng free ebook. Kabaligtaran dito sa kabila. And then, page stock market is not really doing well over here. But stock market made easy is doing better. So, ikikip pa rin natin lahat yan because still creating traction. And then, we can check which website. Of course, isang website lang pinagdadalan yan. So, hindi na. Sa description po, isa lang din yung description ko. Puro click to download lang. Okay? Iyan lang po. So, hindi ko na yan kailangang i-check. Now, we are gonna go to the campaigns. And let's see the other variables that we can check. Dito, I don't really think I want to segregate ads for this. Alam naman natin na yung cellphone or mobile is working better pagdating sa device. And we also don't want to miss the people na gumagamit ng desktop. So, pareho nating gagamitin yan. Dito naman sa delivery, we can see what age is resonating sa ating ad. So, we can click that. And we will see here na yung age 25 to 34 is we are getting a lot of traction from that. Meron din po sa hanggang 35 to 44 and mukhang ito yung mas may maganda ang performance and we are having only 14 pesos kung i-compare sa iba. And then yung 45 to 54 maganda pa rin up to 64 na age. So, from now on, alam na natin. So, next time, ang gagawin natin, we will just limit the ads into 25 to 64. Or you can just do 25 to 54, up to you. Sa gender, pwede rin natin i-check. So, sa female, okay, female and male, balikatan. Hindi masyadong nagkakalayo, pati sa price. So, we're still going to show ads to both genders. And then, also, we can try looking for the placement, okay? So, titingnan natin anong placements yung may maganda ang result, okay? So, ito, as we can see here, we have been getting a lot of results sa news feed. And there are also some from rewarded videos, Facebook stories, and also we have from Instagram videos, quite fair number. And video feeds, ayan, and Instagram feed. Meron din sa Explore, Instagram Stories, and Messenger Inbox. So, ayaw nating ma-miss out doon sa mga tao na meron pala tayong leads na makukuha doon. hindi natin yun nakukuha because we are focusing on one placement. That is the good thing about using all the placements, using auto placement and running a campaign under CBO. Kasi CBO is looking for placements where it can get the lowest cost per conversion because that is what we are asking it to do. Kaya kung meron siyang makukuhang lowest cost per conversion sa ibang placement, ipapakita rin niya yung ads natin doon. Okay? So that is what CBO is doing. In synchronicity, nagwo-work yan na maganda if you use the dynamic creatives and then yung auto advanced matching. Okay? So sometimes po, it's not because very targeted yung audience natin, doon lang tayo may makukuha. Minsan, kahit interest-based lang yan, kahit na broad audience yan, sometimes some people are trying our ads kahit hindi sila kasama sa ating targeted audience. We can turn them into curious audience and later on we can convert them into becoming a lead. So, nakita na natin, okay? So, all placements, kailangan nating i-leverage. Dahil alam na natin ngayon which one is working well, pwede na tayong mag-move on papunta po doon sa ating scaling up. Okay? We are using 3% here. Now, we're going to use 1%. Alright, punta tayo sa campaigns. I-clear muna natin ito. And then, punta tayo sa campaigns. We will duplicate this. Tinandaan po ninyo lahat dapat yung mga nakita nating may magandang performance. This is scaling up. Okay? Pwede rin po kasi itong gamitin dun sa mga tao na nakakita ng ads natin pero hindi nag-opt-in. Okay? Hindi nag-submit ng kanilang details. Pwede natin silang kulitin. Kulitin ng kulitin, bombahin natin ang bombahin ng ads hanggang mapilit natin na mag-opt-in. Alright? So, over here, we will keep this. We will keep the CBO. And we are going to pump up the budget. Gawin natin 300 pesos kasi scaling up tayo. Now, dito sa audience, magpapalit tayo. Dati, 3% ang gamit ko. Ngayon, gagawin nating 1%. Okay? So, we will go for 1% this time. So, 1% na active subscribers. Ito na po, okay? So, piliin natin yan. And then, punta na tayo sa ating dynamic creatives. Kanina nakita natin kung ano yung mga nag-work na maganda. So, this one, hindi siya maganda. And, itong mga to, okay itong i-keep. Okay? So, i-keep natin ito. And then, nakita rin natin na ito hindi maganda ang performance. So, tatanggalin natin yan. Ito i-keep natin dahil lahat nagwo-work. Okay? So, huwag niyong kakalimutan yung link, yung website na pagdadala ng ads, yung redirection, yung call to action, and of course, yung pixel para sa ating web events. Okay, now, we can click publish. Pero hindi ko muna po ipapublish to because I'm still going to do the other one. And, oo nga pala, huwag niyong kalimutan i-rename ito, no? Para alam niyong ito yung ini-scale up natin. Next, itong isa. So, papalitan din natin, nakalimutan kong palitan ito ng 1%. And then, dito tayo sa kabila, 1%. And then, itong creatives niya naman. So, we are going to remove this. And then, remove this one. And then, keep everything. Now, palitan natin ang name nito. Ilalagay ko yung date ngayon, 2.9.21. At ito yung ating scale up ads. Whoa,